This assessment tells us that when isopropoxide is used as a base, we don't end up with our traditional Claisen product. Why not? What is the actual product? Well, the problem is that the Claisen, isopropoxide anion is a good nucleophile as well as a good base. So it can and will attack the carbonyl of our original ester. That's going to perform a trans-esterification reaction where our original ester will get transformed into an isopropyl ester rather than the ethyl ester. Now that it's the isopropyl ester, it won't undergo a Claisen reaction to give an ethyl ester product. Instead, it will undergo a Claisen reaction to give an isopropyl ester product. And so we'll have our Claisen product, but with the isopropyl group rather than the ethyl group. This is why when we do a Claisen reaction, we always match the identity of the base to the identity of the ester, so that when, not if, the transesterification reaction happens, as long as the identity of the base matches the identity of the ester, the transesterification just forms another molecule of starting material, and so there's no consequence. When the identity of the base is different than the identity of the ester, we do get a transesterification reaction that forms a different starting material, and therefore we end up with a different Claisen product.